Noticing problems with CarPlay or crashes in some apps after an iOS update, I will tell you how to perform the update correctly and what to do to avoid problems. Watch the video to the end, there is a tip waiting for you. So for a smooth update, make sure your iPhone is at least 50% charged or plugged into an outlet. So as a first step, let's check whether we are truly updated to the new iOS. For that, go ahead and open Settings, tap on General, and then Software Update. Here you should see this version iOS 18.4.1 and that your device is up to date. If not, then tap on blue button to update your phone and follow on-screen instructions. Now, after we are updated, I want you to update all of your third-party apps as well. And for that, we need to go in App Store, tap on Profile icon. From here, scroll a bit down and find Category Available Updates. So here, just click the blue option Update All and update all of your third-party apps to be able to properly use them with the new iOS update. Now, previously we got some problems with CarPlay, so we can go ahead and open General and then tap CarPlay. If your vehicle is connected, then tap on it and tap option Forget this device to delete previous synchronization. Then, to be able to reconnect your car again, just connect it to your phone via wireless connection or with the help of USB Type-C cable. Then follow on-screen instructions to be able to reconnect it with your phone after a new update, and then it should work just fine. And of course, don't forget to check privacy and security settings from time to time to control which apps can access your data, location, camera, and microphone. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.